everyone. You're watching the Srishti World School News Bulletin from Visakhapatnam. I'm Bhavishya from Grade 8, bringing you the latest updates from our vibrant campus. We begin with a moment of great pride for our institution. Our Executive Director, Dr. Meghna Kambam, has been honored with the HU Leader Award, Education Icon of the Year 2025. Her visionary leadership continues to inspire every Srishtian to dream big and achieve excellence. Moving from leadership achievements to academics. The summative assessment 1 examinations have begun and students are giving their best to excel in every subject. These exams help assess their learning outcomes and prepare them for higher academic challenges. From academics, let's shift our focus to creativity and global awareness. Our talented art faculty showcased the sustainable development goals through a vibrant mural painting on the campus walls. This initiative not only beautifies our surroundings but also reminds students of their responsibility in building a sustainable future. As a part of the organic farming initiative at Srishti, students participated in paddy plantation drive in the school campus. Speaking of global awareness, here's an update that makes us truly proud. Of our students are representing Srishti World School at the Global Model United Nations Conference on the 18th and 19th of October. This platform helps them enhance leadership, diplomacy and public speaking skills, qualities that nurture them into global citizens. Now moving on from intellectual pursuits to athletic achievements. Sports have always been an integral part of Srishti's holistic learning culture. Our young athletes participated enthusiastically in the School Games Federation of India SGFI selections, showcasing talent, teamwork and determination in multiple disciplines: athletics, volleyball, chess and kho-kho. Akhila of grade 9, Sharmila of grade 8, Dharmika of grade 8, Abhiram of grade 8, Gurucharan Sai of grade 8 got selected for divisional level SGFI. We are immensely proud to announce that M. Ganesh Kaushik from our school has been selected for the discus throw event at the divisional athletic meet. His achievement reflects the spirit of hard work and perseverance nurtured at Srishti. Over the years, Srishti World School has built a strong sporting legacy, producing more than 300 national level players who have brought laurels to the institution and inspired their peers to pursue excellence both on and off the field. From the spirit of sportsmanship, let's move to a celebration of creativity and culture. Students enthusiastically took part in a diya making activity using eco-friendly clay. The activity celebrated creativity, sustainability and cultural values as we approach the festive season. That's all for this week's updates from Srishti World School, Uppanagar. This is Bhavishya of Class 8 signing off. Thank you for watching. Stay inspired, stay positive and keep shining with Srishti Pride.